Man them, when it comes to woman, our hostile environment, you have to constantly protect yourself. However, nature having way to protect you without you even knowing. Now, listen to this.
Wapumpum have a pH of 3.8 to 4.5, which makes the environment in there acidic, right? The man them semen is alkaline. It ranges from 7.1 to 8, right? Now follow, listen closely. Sperm and semen are two different things, right? So to keep it simple, the sperm are the fertilizer, the semen are the fluid that help carry and protect the sperm through with front, basically. Oh, sperm cannot survive in an acidic environment, so that's why the semen did if it help protect it through with front. No, with front no, so nice our front.
Alright. That's why you just watch longer and you go in a whole heap more details and all of that something, right? But me just cut off a little piece there. You see, even if you impregnate one woman, you see the hostility where your sperm face just for do all of that. The woman are very body a fight against you. However, nature they protect you. So outside of even pregnancy and then kind of something there, we need to protect ourselves even more. The greatest problem any man has ever had in an entire lifetime always stem from one woman. Always. Every single time. So why is it we go arm with that information now and still left ourselves careless? We no stay woke, gentlemen. Stay woke and never ever take disrespect from a woman. No care how subtle it is. Because one way it can only get worse. Stay woke, protect yourself at all times.